The Beauty and the Beast. Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there lived a young prince in a magnificent castle. Despite his wealth and charm, the prince was selfish and unkind. One stormy night, an old beggar woman came to the castle seeking shelter and offered him a single rose as payment. Disgusted by her appearance, the prince turned her away with harsh words. Suddenly, the beggar transformed into a beautiful enchantress. She cursed the prince to become a hideous beast and turned his castle into a dark, enchanted place. The rose she offered was magical, and the curse could only be broken if the beast learned to love and be loved in return before the last petal fell. If not, he would remain a beast forever. Years passed, and the beast, consumed by despair, hid away in his castle with his enchanted servants, who had been transformed into household objects. Meanwhile, in a small nearby village, a bright and kind girl named Belle lived with her inventor father. Belle was different from the other villagers. She loved books and longed for adventure beyond her quiet life. Though admired for her beauty, she felt misunderstood, especially by Gaston, a boastful suitor who relentlessly sought her hand in marriage. One day, Belle's father set out to present his latest invention at a fair. On the way, he got lost in the woods and stumbled upon the beast's castle. Seeking refuge, he entered but was soon discovered by the beast, who imprisoned him for trespassing. When Belle realized her father was missing, she set out to find him and came upon the gloomy castle. Bravely, she offered to take her father's place. The beast agreed, and Belle became his prisoner. Though frightened at first, Belle soon discovered the castle held magic and mystery. The enchanted servants, including Lumiere, a charming candelabra, and Mrs. Potts, a kind teapot, welcomed her warmly. The beast, however, struggled with his temper and beastly nature, making their interactions tense. Over time, Belle's kindness softened him. They bonded over books, shared meals, and began to enjoy each other's company. Belle saw the beast's true heart, and the beast learned to be compassionate and selfless. One day, using a magical mirror, Belle saw her father in danger in the village. Torn between her love for the beast and concern for her father, she begged to leave. Despite his feelings for her, the beast let her go, giving her the mirror to remember him. Back in the village, Gaston discovered the beast's existence and rallied the villagers to attack the castle. Belle rushed back, realizing her love for the beast. In a fierce battle, Gaston wounded the beast but fell to his own doom. Belle found the beast as the last petal fell. Tearfully, she confessed her love. Suddenly, the curse broke. The beast transformed back into a prince, his castle and servants restored. Belle and the prince married and brought joy to the kingdom. Their story became a legend, a tale of love that saw beyond appearances and transformed even the hardest of hearts. The end. Moral: true beauty lies within, and love and kindness can transform even the coldest heart.